At Luneta Park, it can be observed that many are also strolling today and have chosen to relax here instead of traveling to far-flung provinces. Similarly, in Intramuros, Manila, the increase in tourists is noticeable. Esperanza Domingo is one who is content to go on a nearby outing rather than traveling far this long holiday break. According to her, aside from being able to be with her family at home, traveling to the province is more tiresome for her.
Kaya nanatili na lang kami dito sa bahay, hindi na kami nagpunta ng bakasyon, umuwi ng probinsya. Kasi nakakapagod magbiyahe. At saka ang ano natin ngayon, hindi natin ano yung klima natin o kung saan ka pumunta, hindi mo alam yung mga mangyayari o ano, kaya mas mabuti pang dito na lang sa bahay mag-stay, magpahinga kasamang pamilya.
Ricky and his family are also among those who choose not to join the holiday rush. According to him, one should be wise now, especially in saving money amid the rising prices of petroleum products and some goods.
Tama ka, mas makakatipid. Una, dahil medyo mahal ng gasolina. Pagkatapos, yun nga, pagka lumabas ka, kung lalayo, syempre, yung mga lahat naman, pagkain, lahat bibili mo. Unlike dito, so kung ano lang, pwede kang magdala-dala ng pagkain.
While some avoid expenses and fatigue, there are those who choose to continue their work. Like Lydia and Winnie, street sweepers in Manila who set aside their vacation.
Hindi po sir, obligasyon po natin dito sa Maynila magtrabaho kasi may mga pamilya po bawat isa't sa atin. Nagkakaroon po tayo ng hanap buhay ng ganito. Street sweeper po.
Hindi, okay lang po kahit na yung wala. Kasi nakakapag-banding naman po kami kahit na ano, sa bahay, mga simple yung mga aral.
They are among the workers who continue to sacrifice not only for their families but also for those they serve, the citizens and the country. Nel Maribuho, UNTV News and Rescue, we serve the people, we give glory to God.